Hello people, how you going today? Today, I'm going to show you a commemorative coin that Australia issued in 2001. Now this coin, I actually found one in circulation. It's actually this one with the C mint mark, which means Canberra. And this celebrates 100 years of the Australian Army, as you can see. So, just a little bit of context. So, Federation of Australia was in 1901. And at this time, Australia constituted different states or colonies, as they were back then. And each of those colonies had a small standing army for probably local defence, as well as a police force and that. And probably a little bit of a navy, but the Air Force, there was no Air Force back then. And in 1901 they were all transferred over to a central command. But as it says in this pack, it's only after World War II that a full standing army was established. As you can see, it says it in this here. And for the First World War, we had the AIF, the Australian Imperial Forces. These were volunteers, so unlike Britain and France, Australia didn't have the death penalty for deserters because they were volunteers. So that is what this celebrates. So on the reverse, or obverse, this is the obverse, this is the S mint mark for Sydney, and there should be other mint marks. There'll be an M for Melbourne, probably could be an A for Adelaide, a B for Brisbane. Usually no P for Perth, but this just has the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. And the actual coin itself, on this side we have the specifications, which is just a normal $1 coin. We have soldiers marching. I would presume that is the Second World War, but I can't tell from the photos. And more soldiers marching. This could be in North Africa if it's a desert situation, or it also could be if it's First World War, it could be in Mesopotamia, Iraq, Israel, current Israel, or Syria. So, that one's a bit go. So, here we have the symbol of the Australian Army, of the Anzac, should I say. It has the sun, the Queen's crown, and the Australian Army. And that's what they have on their slouch hats. So, these coins probably would have cost about $2 when they first come out. These ones you can get pretty easily. I'm not too sure how much you can pay for them, but if you look on eBay, that should give you an estimation of how much these coins cost. So, another commemorative $1 coin from Australian Mint, or the Royal Australian Mint, should I say. Thank you very much for watching. If you like collecting Australian coins, I recommend you get some of these because they are inexpensive, but they are also beautifully designed as well. Beautiful, even the cover's beautifully designed. Grouse. So, have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Bye bye.